Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you a very simple shoyu chicken recipe. The ingredients you will need are 5 pounds of chicken thighs, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, thumb-sized ginger, green onions, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of water, and 2 cups of aloha shoyu. If you need to whip up a quick meal, this is the go-to recipe for you. I myself am all about the quick, easy, and yummy recipes. All you need to do is throw all your ingredients in the pot and let it cook over the stove for 1 hour. Now that I have my ginger sliced and garlics peeled, let's get our pot ready. Add your water, shoyu, and sugar, give it a little mix, and then throw in your ginger and minced up garlic. Hey, if you've made it this far, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoy my channel, consider subscribing. I appreciate all your support. Alright, now to add the final, most important ingredient, the chicken thighs. I prefer to use bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, but you can very well so use boneless and skinless if you like. Make sure to use a deep enough pot so that your chicken can all be marinated fully into the sauce. The cooking instructions are very simple. Bring it to a boil and then cover and lower heat to medium to let it simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're gonna open the lid and turn all your chickens over and cook for another 30 minutes. Now that the chicken are fully cooked through, add your green onions. This part is optional and it can be just used as a top garnish, but I love the onion added flavor, so I put in a good amount, as you can see here. My favorite way to eat shoyu chicken is over a bed of warm rice. On top of that, I love to add extra gravy all over. A side dish that I need to eat with this is some salted garlic butter corn. Something I'm very guilty of doing is saving all the gravy. Even when the chicken is all done, I save the gravy to mix it in with rice and corn, and I could just eat it like that. Alright, that's enough of me sharing my hungry habits. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!